Stockler from Wolfer Nation, and so you want to be a lure maker, do you? Well, this is what happens when you're a lure maker. I'm talking to Jeb from Okie Cable and Trap the other day on the phone, and he goes, "Man, I got some bobcat meat." I'm like, "Good, man. I could use some bobcat meat." I'm like, "Send it." So he sent it. Now, this is bobcat meat. All of this is bobcat meat. There's 10 more buckets here. And we've got a Toyota that's squatting down like it's about to go to the bathroom out in the front yard with more bobcat meat. All this is bobcat meat. It's not ground, it's not preserved, it's not anything like that. So we got about 3,100 pounds of bobcat meat that's going to be thawing out all at the same time or within a day or so. So we're going to have to grind it. We're going to have to put it in batches because we use it different product ways, some tainted, some not, some middle ways tainted. We're going to have to separate all that out. We're going to have to let it all air out, put it back in the bucket so we can use it in products later, make sure it's preserved right. And all this is going to be going on over the next week or so. So Travis is going to become an expert grinder man for me if he doesn't quit in the middle of all this. But if you want to be a lure maker and you're going to call Jeb, and Jeb says he's got some bobcat meat and you say send it, you better know what you're asking for. That's all I'm saying, because he will send it.